Alright, let's look at some applications of our exponential and functions. The first one we're going to look at is exponential growth. So we're going to be having a word problem, and then we need to write some kind of exponential equation to figure out the answer. Growth meaning that something is getting bigger. So our standard formula for exponential growth is going to be f of t equals a times 1 plus r, and that raised to t. Okay, so a is going to be whatever our initial amount is, whatever we're talking about. We could be talking about a lot of different things, whether that's bacteria, dollars, there's a wide variety of things we can be talking about. R is going to be whatever our growth rate is, and this is going to be given as a percentage, and you need to change it to a decimal. And then T is going to be time. So F of T means that we're going to be finding where this population is, where this amount is after a number of time, years, months, whatever the equation is. So let's look at this example. We've got the original value of an investment is $1,800. Original value signifies A, that's my initial amount. If the value has increased by 7% each year, so increased, this tells me growth. So I know it's a growth problem. And by 7%, so this is my R, my rate. Write an exponential function to model the situation. So first we want to write the function, and then we'll find it at some t, some time. So all I'm doing is I'm plugging in my A and my R here. So we're going to have f of t, some time we don't know. What's my A? 1,800. And what is my R? Changing this 7% changes to 0.07. Remember, we move the decimal over 2 points, so 0.07 t, and I can simplify this as f of t equals 1,800. That's not what I meant to do. 1.07 raised to t. Okay, and then it wants us to find the value after 15 years. So we want to know what f of 15 is. So I'm going to plug 15 in where I see t. So I'm going to raise 1.07 to the 15th power and then multiply it by 1,800. And when I do so, after 15 years, we've got $4,966.26. On these, when we're talking about money, we do need a decimal. We need 2 places because that's our cents.